love sa inyo mga tol, check nyo itong ginagawa naming notebook mga tol. Tawag dito, loop wire bind mga tol. Loop wire bind, gamit tong machine na to, bago pa lang namin na-acquire. Kaya nagpa-practice kami kung paano ito gamitin. But, tingnan nyo itong ginawa kong customized notebook. Phones are meant to connect, not to disconnect. Then, ito yung back. Soap lang yung niya cover. I'm planning to get a hard cover dito sa notebook na to. Then, itong notebook na to mga tol, customize ko siya. Pag kada notes niya, meron siya nakalagay na, kunyari yan, be present, the best connection isn't Wi-Fi, it's human. O, isa pa, tayo. The most precious gift we can offer to anyone is our attention. Diba? Ganda ng mga messages. So, instead of using phone, make a notes yung mga tol. Ito yung purpose ng notebook na to, to connect mga tol. So, yun. If you have something na idea na gusto nyo ipagawa, let me know. Tingnan natin. By the way, I'm Mark. I'm a printing owner at nagpiprint ako ng idea. Bam bam.